Hi. Web scraping is your only way to collect indigenous data that no one has seen. I can't emphasize the importance of this and the prospects it opens as a data scientist. Welcome to Advanced Web Scraping with Python, Scrapy Deep Dive. In this course, the plan is to fully grasp the framework you are working with, Scrapy, and this will enable you to utilize the tools provided with Scrapy at the right time and to the right extent, and most importantly, with full intuition. So you will know what you're doing. Here is my claim. There is no course in Udemy, and probably in any other platform, that can teach you Scrapy architecture and how to create a middleware in 3 hours. Let me make another point. This subject I teach has caught a lot of attention from all over the world already. In fact, I had served beta versions as 2 different courses, which collected 10,000 individual students in almost a month. This course now is the bundled and refined version of those 2 courses. Now, if you want to try me and my courses, you can always enroll to my free Scrapy Essentials course first. This might also give you a chance to refresh your basic web scraping skills if you need to. And in complement to that, I have an end-to-end data science project course utilizing web scraping called Real-World Data Science in Python, Create a Car Buyer Application, where you can take your web scraping knowledge into an actionable creative skill through solving a real-life data science problem. So, these 3 courses are for you to move the basic understanding of Scrapy to advanced concepts and also to the creation of a real-life high-value application. And all this will happen in few hours you need to dedicate to these courses, because I have refined and optimized my courses for best performance within the basic daily schedule of an online learner. Okay, that is the plan. And here's the good thing. Now these courses are not bound to Udemy's default promotions. This means I can help you to get these courses with the lowest price one can get a course in Udemy throughout the whole year. The only thing you need to do is to go to my secure blog at tarkanagunar.com and find my Udemy courses post that is on the top. So, if you wish to advance, excel, and create in web scraping and data science, this is your chance. Go ahead, enroll, and get this done. Don't forget, success is about seizing the opportunities as they come and go. See you in the lectures.